Look around. Doesn't it feel like the old system is flatlining? Your 9 to 5 isn't just boring, it is technologically obsolete. Your income is running on legacy firmware.
While you sleep, Ghost Economy is printing equity. Today I show you the patch to execute the upgrade. I am Ryo Kageyama. Welcome to Zero Day ROI.
Let's analyze the facts. We are witnessing the greatest economic paradox in history. Tech giants are firing tens of thousands of employees, yet their profits are climbing to record highs. How is that possible?
More output required more humans. If you wanted to build twice as many cars, you needed twice as many workers. That equation is broken in 2026. So
we are seeing a total decoupling of labor and value creation. The magic word is permissionless leverage. Think about it for a second. Previously, in the old world, you needed permission for everything.
You wanted to build a factory? You needed a loan from the bank, permission. You wanted to publish your opinion? You needed a publisher, permission. You wanted to earn more money? You needed a promotion from...
Code and content do not ask for permission. An AI agent running on a server costs fractions of a cent per hour. It doesn't get sick, it doesn't burn out, it doesn't demand a raise.
We're waiting for permission to work. This is not fair competition. This is asymmetric warfare. If you try to compete as an individual against someone whose marginal costs are near zero, you have mathematically...
You cannot work harder than software. You must become the software.
Institutions are slow, individuals are fast. A ghost is an entrepreneur who uses digital leverage to outmaneuver corporations. I call this your attack. It consists of 3 protocols. Protocol 1, synthetic labor. Stop doing things manually. If you are still typing data into Excel or sorting emails by hand today, you are wasting your life.
We use N8N workflows and LLM APIs to kill these processes. My system reads 500 financial news articles every morning, filters them, and writes me a summary. Duration, 30 seconds.
Infinite distribution. Algorithms are your sales force. In the past, a salesperson had to knock on doors. They managed maybe 5 clients a day. A video like this one can theoretically sleep.
the video is a digital employee that never stops pitching. Protocol 3, code-based products. Sell nothing that you have to manufacture from scratch every time. Sell software, sell templates, sell action.
Do not misunderstand me. When I say attack,
We are not hacking bank accounts. We are hacking inefficiencies. We are using market mechanics. This is a white hat strategy. The market rewards efficiency, and nothing is more efficient than...
many people ask me, Hash, which tools do I need? The answer is simpler than you think. You don't need enterprise software for thousands of dollars. This is my ghost team.
Perplexity. This is my research department. It hallucinates less than ChatGPT and gives me sources. Number 2, Claude Sonnet. This is my senior developer. I can't code well. Claude can.
He writes the scripts for my automation. Number 3, N8N. This is the nervous system. It connects everything together. The cost for this entire stack, under $100 a month.
The output, equivalent to 5 full-time positions. How do you execute the patch now? Here is the protocol for this week. Step 1, audit. Take a piece of paper.
List every task you did this week. Highlight everything that is repetitive. Those are bugs in the system. Step 2, automate. Pick one of those tasks, just one, and build a no-code pipeline.
If A happens, do B. Use tools like Make or N8N. Fail comfortably while doing it. It is about the learning process. Step 3, deploy. Start a project alone.
Not to earn money immediately, but to gather data, test hypotheses, become a lab, not a factory. Time is running against you. The window for this arbitrage is closing.
In 2 years, everyone will be using these tools. But today you still have the advantage. The longer you stay in the legacy system, the more worthless your skills become. The barrier has fallen. You have no more excuses. I will show you exactly how I build these automations in the next videos, step by step.